4, verse 13. I want you to get this mystery today. When you go out here, I want you to be full of the Holy Spirit. Full of the Holy Spirit. Drunk of the Holy Spirit. Receiving this new birth. Read from verse 13. Yeah. Try to read. Try to read. Try to read. Try to read.
And when the devil had ended and when the devil has ended the complete cycle of temptation, he temporarily left him.
He temporarily left him, not permanently. He temporarily left Jesus. Not permanently. After whom tempted, eh? But listen to this. I want on verse 14. Let's go.
He temporarily left him. That is, stood off from him until another more opportune
for another opportunity
and favorable time. Verse 14. Then Jesus went back full.
Jesus went back with what? With what? Full. Try to read.
Then Jesus went back full under
the
power.
Full and under the power. Full and under the power of the Holy Spirit. Let's go. Try to read. Continue.
Jesus went back full of and under the power of the Holy Spirit.
Full and under the power of the Holy Spirit. Going back to Nazareth. I like I'll pelti kunde kerte patira kata. Kira shisa kuse kisa kasa. Tesezizo para de kinde koria pata. Chinke lunge linka kunde peleke. Jelimba shikatira. What you are going to encounter today is not ordinary. What you are going to see today is not ordinary. It's what no eye has seen, what no ear has heard. Try to read. Let's continue. I love Jesus Christ. Try to read. Let's go.
Then Jesus went back full and under the power of the Holy Spirit.
Go on.
Into Galilee. And the fame on him.
That's the part I want. And the fame of him. The fame of him. It was not human testimony. The fame of him was spread all over. You see when you are full of the Holy Spirit, no need to announce yourself. No need to go around putting tents. Where there's the Father, the Word, and the Spirit, God will draw many. God will bring his own ship and say, come and see where I dwell. Come and see where I manifest. His fame was made known. Go on, let's go.
And the fame of him spread through the whole region.
It spread through the whole region. I want you to get this now. So somebody can say, why is he doing these things? This is what must spread. This is what must spread throughout the whole Emalahleni. And they must say, we know him. We know his mother. We know his father. What are the things that he's doing? Full of the Spirit. Full of the Spirit. It's no longer the birth that they know. It's the three becoming one. Go on, let's go.
And the fame of him spread through the whole region, round about.
Round about?
Oh, verse 15. And he himself conducted a course of teaching in their synagogue, being recognized and honored.
Being recognized
by all.
He was now recognized and honored by all. By the way he was teaching. Because he was full of the Holy Spirit. It was not another Bible story. It's over with Bible stories. It's time for the reality. Stand up, stand up, stand up. I want you to go on. I want that part. I want it. I want it. It says the news spread about him. The whole Galilee. Did he go around inviting people? No, no, no. When you are full of the Holy Spirit, understand. When God testifies about you, people will sleep, they will dream you. They've never met you physically. News is spreading all over. They just dream you. They've never seen you. Sure. God personally evangelizing for you, revealing you. His mind. His mind. Go there. Go there. You will find me. Go on.
Then Jesus went back full of and under the power of the Holy Spirit into Galilee.
Into Galilee.
And the fame of him.
The fame of him.
Spread through the whole region. Round about.
Round about. He just went back full of the Spirit. And everyone began to know about him. So you are here. Hey, some people have never come here. But this church is famous. Aliko even in Pamguamehlo, but everyone knows about this church. How does it happen? The Spirit. The Spirit, the water, the Father, the way. Him saying, this is my beloved Son. In him I'm pleased. You will hear the true word. Go on.
And the fame of him spread through the whole region round about. Verse 15. And he himself conducted a course of teaching in their synagogue.
Teaching in their synagogue. Go on.
Being recognized and honored and praised by all.
And praised by